안녕하세요, 에리스 키친 친구분들. Today we are turning the classic Korean comfort food 신라면 into something extra special. A 투움바 pasta that is as easy as it is delicious. First things first, grab a pack of Korean instant noodles, 신라면. Inside this ramen pack, you've got noodles, myeon, a dried ingredient pack, and some seasoning. We are only interested in the noodles and the spice. In this step, start to boil some water to cook those noodles. Chop the bacon into bite-sized pieces. You can use shrimp instead of bacon, just like the original Toowoomba Pasta. Chop the onion, 양파, and the white button mushrooms, 버섯, into about quarter-inch thick pieces. Then thinly slice the garlic, 마늘. Heat things up with the olive oil in a pan. Drop in the bacon and garlic. Give it a 1-minute sizzle on medium-high heat. Toss in the mushrooms and onions and stir frying for an extra 2 minutes. The water should be starting to boil around this time, so now place the noodles into the boiling water and cook them over high heat for about 3 minutes. Back to the pan, add heavy whipping cream and the milk, uyu to the veggies. Keep it simmering on medium heat. Once it's bubbling, add the hot pepper paste, GoChuJang, and the ramen seasoning. You can taste and tweak as needed. Simmer the sauce for an additional 2 to 3 minutes until it thickens up. Once your noodles are ready, drain the water. Stir the cooked noodles into the creamy pasta sauce. Turn off the heat and sprinkle the Grana Padano cheese over the dish. Stir one last time. For garnish, sprinkle a dash of hot pepper powder, gochugaru, and dried parsley over the pasta. I hope you can try this delicious recipe someday. Are you looking for a special Christmas gift idea? If so, please check out our Korean Ascent Etsy shop for beautifully packaged Korean vegetable seed Christmas gift sets. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.